I made this beat on the 12th of February 2018, and usually when I make beats I try to think about like an atmosphere, a vibe, and on this one I was feeling something like an ocean vibe with water and stuff like that. And why is this microphone moving? So I was thinking about the ocean and having that type of vibe, and so I started with the sound of ocean. This is something that nobody knows. Nobody noticed the ocean sound on the beat. You can listen here. Okay, then I lay down some chords that sound like this with a synthesizer. Very thick. Then I had some percussions with a snare. Boom! Okay, then I felt like the beat was lacking a little bit of brightness, so I had a bell, something like this. Everything? And then I add some bass. Some very good bass. This is probably the whole reason why the beat sounds good. It's the bass. Here we go. Have a listen. So at this point I wanted more movement in the beat, so I had this sound. It's an ARP from the space. And as a finishing sound for the hook I had a lead sound to give it more space. It goes like this. This is the whole beat. Boom! And there is one last sound on the bridge. The bridge is the part before the hook. There is a little bell that goes like this. As you can hear, it goes from right to left. It moves. That's the whole beat basically. I think what makes the beat good, at least I like it personally. I think what makes a beat interesting is, for example, the beginning. It starts with percussions already. Like it gives it a very powerful start. Roko Tensei. And also when I made this beat I wanted to do something very relaxing, very slow, but at the same time very powerful. That's why I used this type of bass, because it gives a lot of punch to the beat and it still leaves a lot of space for the singer to sing, basically. Also a very simple beat, you see it's very small but it's effective. Boom! Bye.